Today we will talk about how a computer work. Children, every machine works upon something. So computer will work upon some points that we are going to discuss in this. So I'm going to start reading this chapter along. I'm telling you the descriptions also. So friends, a computer works like any other machine. It follows the process of IPO cycle. The process of working of a machine is called a IPO cycle. So what is the process called? IPO cycle. IPO cycle. Let's begin to understand what is the IPO cycle. Working of a machine is called IPO cycle. So to begin with, let's understand with a simple example. Have you ever seen corn popping inside a popcorn machine? But have you seen popcorn, how the popcorn is made? It is put into a machine as input. What we do? We put corn into a machine. It is just like raw corn we are putting. It is input. The machine heats up, then machine heats up. Garam hoti hai, then machine heats up. And after that, the process start and it start popping. And when it heats up, our corn start popping. The heating is the process. Finally, we got yummy popcorn from the machine. So all the process has been gone. First we put corn into the machine, then heats up, then they start popping, then we got the very tasty, very yummy popcorn. The whole cycle which is processing it is called IPO cycle of a machine. So all machine works upon this IPO cycle. Let's take the another example. Let's make it more clear by understanding the IPO cycle process. Like, we want to make a mango shake, then you give mango pulp, then we need to have a mango pulp, sugar and milk. Then all together we'll put in a machine like a mixer. The mixer mixes the pulp, sugar and milk all together. Then we got our yummy mango shake. So this all process of putting the inputs like mango, sugar and milk, these are the inputs, and in output what we are getting, milkshake. And whatever the process is going on, the blades of the machine is moving round and round and cutting the edges and mixing them. It is called the IPO cycle. So let's revise again that if we have the washing machine, so the clothes we will put the dirty clothes and the clean clothes will get, or the things that moving of the machine is called the IPO cycle. So I hope you understand the IPO cycle of every machine, and this chapter is all about the how a computer works. So I hope you understand the IPO cycle. Now here I have the keyboard. Keyboard has 108 keys. So how it is work, a computer work? Like in mixer we have put milk and the sugar and the pulp of a mango. So in the same process we will press the keys gently and the answer will come on the screen. What is the process? Now if we'll talk about the bookish, the process is what a computer does to the data. A computer process the data. Now what is the process of roti making? Mummy will take the flour, then mummy will make a dough, then she'll make a roll, then she flatten up, then she puts on the your heating plate, and it will come out. Now your roti is prepared. So the what is process of roti making is all that. But in computer, what is the process of process. That means computers work upon the data. When it works on upon the data, it is called the process. So the next, output. The result you get after processing is called output. The result you get after processing is called output. The monitor shows the output. Who shows the output? Monitor. The output that you see on a monitor is called a soft copy. Whatever the output you are going to see on the monitor is called a soft copy. The output when the printed on a paper is called hard copy. When it is on the screen, it is called soft copy. When it is on the paper, it is called a hard copy. So let's understand the working of a computer by an example. Geeta wants to add 12 and 32 on her computer using calculator. She follows the step as below. What step she will follow? She presses these buttons as input 12 plus 32 and equal to. The number 12 and 32 are data, and the plus is also a data sign of instruction. The computer takes data, follow the instructions and work upon it and add the computer will do the addition process. When the computer process, the computer gives us 44 as the output. So this is the output. So beta, what we learn in this chapter, I want to sum up. That one is IPO cycle. The process of any machine is called IPO cycle. Another one, what is input that we putting into the computer is called input, and when we are getting the answer, it is the output. Here the so many example is being given to understand input and output. So when we learn computer, then we should know the terms input, output, hardware, software. All these terms are very, very necessary. So you will read this chapter. Whatever you don't understand, just ask anytime from me. You are welcome, my children. Thank you very much. And in next video, we will discuss the exercise also.